In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Wizz Air flight. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look out for, and how to complete the process smoothly. Before we begin, have your booking reference and the surname on the reservation handy, just in case the site asks for them. It also helps to have your payment method nearby if a cancellation fee applies. To start, go to the Wizz Air website and scroll down the page. In the footer, you'll find a section called Help Center. Click that. The Help Center is where Wizz Air keeps guides, policies, and links to manage bookings, so it's the best place to access official instructions. Once you're in the Help Center, look for the option called Booking Modification and select it. This area is specifically about changing or canceling your trip. Even if you're confident you want to cancel, it's worth pausing here to glance at the topics. They explain how changes affect fees, credits, and eligibility, which can save you time and money. From the Booking Modification page, choose Cancel Flight. This opens Wizz Air's dedicated cancellation information. Here, you'll see an overview of rules, like potential fees, time limits before departure, and details about flexible products that may reduce costs. If your fare includes flexibility, you might see different options than a basic fare would. Take a moment to read the guidance so you know what to expect before you proceed. Now follow the on-screen instructions under How to Cancel. The website may prompt you to sign into your account or enter your booking code and surname. After you access your reservation, you'll typically be asked to select which passengers and flight segments you want to cancel. Review the summary carefully, including any fees, credits, or refund methods shown. Some bookings are eligible for a refund to the original payment method, while others may be offered credit to use on a future flight. When everything looks correct, confirm the cancellation. After you confirm, watch for a confirmation page and an email summarizing the changes. Keep a screenshot or save the email for your records. Refunds or credits can take some time to process depending on your bank and the option you chose. So check the timeline provided on the page. A few tips as you wrap up. If Wizz Air has canceled or significantly changed your flight, the outcomes may differ from a voluntary cancellation, and that information will appear in the same Help Center area. Add-ons like bags or seats usually follow the booking's rules, so review those in your summary before confirming. That's it. Simple, clear, and all from the Help Center. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you cancel with confidence.